Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install some LED light strips under the cupboards in your kitchen. Welcome back to the RAVE CAVE. Welcome back to TomiNation. That was nothing. Remove the lights from the bar. This is so trippy. Benefits of building a bar on wheels. Just having a little sit down while I'm taking the LED strips off the bar. Ta-da! Got a nice waterproof LED strip that we can stick in the kitchen, which will benefit us greatly. I wanted the waterproof feature because that's where the kettle boils, so we've got hot steam coming out covering. So yeah, waterproof. Let's continue. I was so glad to find that I had these brackets on the back of the bar. So we've got 6 little brackets, which will do very nice. Fits like a glove after having its hole reamed out. So I thought before I set it all up and set it in place, I better test that the light works. So I've plugged it in and I've got the remote. So, woo, tidy kitchen. But I'm mostly gonna want to use white and add its brightest. So that's looking pretty good. I had to ream out the holes in the brackets because I only had 6 of them and I didn't want to crack any of the holes because the screws were slightly too big. I had to trim the LED strip by about 1 meter. One last screw before I'm glad to still have you here. Let me know how I went and what you liked, what you didn't like. How good is it to have some cool lights set up in your kitchen? Got a dance floor now? Didn't have one of those before? I mean, every floor's a dance floor if your heart so desires. How do you like to celebrate completing projects or when you finish something that you're proud of? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, go and hit that subscribe button. And hit the little bell icon if you want to know as soon as I've uploaded something. Cheers, guys.